camera keeps on focusing on her. I'm very offended. Hey guys, it's welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I feel very swamped in all of these new products. Today I'm going to be unboxing gifts, PR gifts, some products that I ordered myself online, and I'm going to give you guys a first impression. Some of these products are very, very hot, hyped up right now, so I can't wait to give you guys my own personal opinions. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so there's a lot of products, so let's power through this. Chop. First things first, I know this is a product that a lot of people is very excited for. It's getting great reviews, it's getting hyped up, I'm seeing it everywhere. So this is the Hera Glow Lasting Foundation. It is their latest release, and they sent over 3 shades with this buffing brush. They say supposedly the foundation works best when you use these buffing brushes. Now, I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but I specifically said that I try and avoid using these buffing brushes because I feel like it really doesn't feel good on my sensitive skin. It does feel like I'm dry and it scratches a bit. I mean, it does feel soft, but nonetheless, I decided to give it a try because I wanted to jump on the hype train, you know? Now, as you guys can guess from the title, this is a very hydrating liquid foundation. And I did try it with a brush, I tried it with a flat brush, and I don't know guys, I don't know if I just had too much of an expectation, but I honestly didn't fall in love with this foundation like immediately. And also, like I said, I did try it with this buffing brush, and like in Korea we have the saying like 장인은 도구를 탓하지 않는다, which means masters don't blame the tools when exercising their skills because they're already so good at it. I'm not a master at makeup, so I do blame the tool. I don't know, I'm just not used to using buffing brushes, and I'm not really comfortable with it, and that's why I don't think I really managed to achieve that perfect look. It's actually the foundation I have on today. The coverage is not that high, but it does give you that nice kind of glow to your skin and makes your skin look really healthy. The longevity is pretty good. It's one of those foundations that just melts away immediately on your skin. But like I said a billion times, I just haven't fallen in love with this foundation yet. Let me use it a couple of more times. I'll let you guys know. Okay. Now these next products I know you guys are really, really excited for, and it is the Clio Prism Air Eye Palette. I know, right? It's honestly one of the most pretty palettes I've ever seen in a very long time. So I ordered the shade number 2 Pink Addict and number 1 Coral Sparkle. And for starters, as far as packaging goes, 100 points. 100 points for Clio. And it gets even better when you open up the palette. I mean, there are 8 shades in total for both palettes, and each shade is molded into a very specific prism-like shape that I think is just gorgeous. I just got this in the mail like 2 days ago, maybe a day ago, I forgot. And I tried this palette number 2 when I was applying my eye makeup. And I have to say, as much as I love the packaging, I honestly don't think the quality matches how beautiful it looks. I mean, they're okay. I'm not saying they're bad, but you know, when I looked at the packaging, I was just like really breathtaking. I was like, marry me. But when I was actually trying out the shade, I wasn't as blown away. There we go. And some of the glitter shades, they work better with your fingers as opposed to using a brush. There's a lot of fallout with this, especially if you use them with brushes, and I think compared to how much fallout you're not really getting that clear pigmentation. But to be honest guys, when you look like this, you don't have to apologize for nothing. And next, I also ordered this beautiful Clio Kill Cover Glow Cushion. Now, I already have this, but this packaging is insane. What the freak? It's so gorgeous. Can you guys see that? See that? Look. To be honest, I ordered this because of the packaging. I'm not ashamed to say that. I have used this before. I think it looks great on my face when you first apply it on. It really does give you that fresh, dewy, sun-kissed glow look. But it's just that the longevity doesn't work that great for me. So that's why I haven't really been recommending it to you guys, but I just had to get this because, right? Don't you guys agree with me? Next up, oh my gosh, I'm very excited to show you guys this. It's been a long time since I've been excited about a lip product, and it is definitely the Clio Matte collection. Clio originally had a matte collection that I absolutely loved, but they came out with matte stain lips. So I think it's like an upgraded version. And I did try one color out last night, and guys, it's superb. I think they really nailed it. This is exactly the type of lipstick that I like. And they also changed the packaging so that you can see what color you're getting. The formula of these lipsticks, they're not your conventional lipsticks. There's something very airy, very fluffy, very velvety about them. They sit ever so lightly on your lips, and they actually last a pretty long time. So these are definitely one of my favorite lip products. So I got one in every single color, of course. If you do like lipsticks as opposed to maybe tints, and you like semi-matte finishes, I definitely recommend these. Okay, next, I also got their new matte stain tint. These, I guess, are the tint versions of the lipsticks. I never tried them. I think these are new releases. So let's check them out. So it's one of those clickety things that you click. Wow, great vocabulary, Sue. Now, I have a love and hate relationship with these kind of velvety tips. They're really convenient when you want to apply on your lip products really nicely, but they're very unhygienic. So what do you guys think about these velvet tips? So let me just try one color on. This is Sun-Dried Tomato. You guys know who hates sun-dried tomatoes? Monica. Hello. I zoomed you guys in a bit so you guys can see how the lip product is. Ooh, it's actually a pretty light color. I know guys, it's beautiful. Ooh, it's very light. This color itself is very... You know what, guys? I've noticed that when you actually click it, not a lot of product comes out at once. I think I like. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love the finish. It dries up really quickly. Oh my gosh. Clio. You know what? And also I've noticed that the tip is a lot sharper and narrower than other brands. Clio, you guys outdid yourself. Okay, so there is a bit of 묻어남. What's 묻어남? It's transfer, right? I know English. But to be honest, I just put it on. So the fact that it only transferred this amount, I think is a great product. I'm very impressed. Okay, next collection I actually do recommend. And it is the latest Holika collection. This is their Pearly collection. 취향 저격. It's just my cup of tea. And they came out with different types of quads, and they've released lip colors and blush colors. And guys, blush colors are insane. They're gorgeous. I actually love pearls. I prefer pearls way over diamonds. I think pearls are more elegant, more classic, more modern, and it's not too extravagant, and that's why I love pearls. And oh my gosh, the quad palettes is just my cup of tea. Now, the only complaint I have with these quads is that they honestly look very similar, so I don't think you really need to get all three. I mean, just from the screen, they look identical, right? They're not. They're all different quads. Honestly think you'll be great with just one, so don't strain yourself. But I really love how they did glitter shades. They stuck to their concept and they made it look very pearl-like. And it looks insanely beautiful on your eyes. Seriously, like once the sunlight hits your eyes, it's like Madonna, Lady Gaga came here and they performed, Beyonce, and it's just shockingly gorgeous. So I really do like these quads. I think the pigmentation is great. It's like the regular Holika quad palettes. And like I was saying, the blushes, oh my gosh. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have not been wearing a lot of blushes nowadays. Hang on, my eye itches. And the reason is because none of the colors really excited me, and also I want to kind of protect my cheeks a bit because, as I was saying, they're feeling a bit more weak. They need the rest. These are, by the way, the Holika Pearly Dough blusher. Ah, that's so cute, Pearly Dough. These are not powder types. These are jelly types. So inside you get a little puff. I never use this puff, by the way. I really don't recommend this because this has a very tacky feeling to it, and if you use it, this will actually peel off your base makeup, and all that effort you put into your building your foundation, this will undo it. So I never use this. I just use a regular brush or with my fingers, and it does the job. I know it looks a bit intimidating and you're just like, so what are you thinking? but the pigmentation isn't as strong as it appears. It's very subtle, and it has this amazing, beautiful glow to it. That shimmer, that really slight shimmer. It's not over the top where you're like, whoa, what did you put on your face? No, it's a very subtle one. Oh, I mean, come on. This color is gorgeous. I do recommend all three of them. That's very rare for me to say. And of course, they also released 2 lip colors as well. These are more of a moisturizing, hydrating types. Look at the packaging! Ah, it's so pretty. It's my aesthetics. Like if I were to release a brand or something, I want them to look like this. Both of them, like I said, are moisturizing. I especially like this Pearly Breeze. It's a regular MLBB that just looks perfect on any kind of daily makeup look. Very easy, it glides on. Definitely impressed with the Holika new Pearly collection. Finally, for some skincare, this is a new Abib Hemp Seed Essence. I'm very excited. Abib is one of my favorite skincare brands. I think they do a really good job in not only attaining a really good quality of the products, but they also nail it with the aesthetics, the design. They're very in right now. Ooh, this is my first time, of course, seeing this. I haven't tried it yet. Let me just do a quick first impression for you guys. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, how does that smell? I smell pepper, guys. Wow, that is a very unique smell. Ooh, and wow. Okay, guys, I'm gonna break it down to you guys. There's a lots of things going on here. Like I said, it has a very distinct smell. I don't think I ever smelled skincare smell like this before. And the formula is, it's like, you know, when you put water on top of an oily surface, the oil bubbles up, like they cluster itself together. It's doing that on my hands right now. It absorbs right in. It's very light. It has alcohol in it. It has oil. It has hyaluronic acid. Okay, so lots of things going on here, but I am very excited to try this. I love it when skincare brands come out with a new concept and they're not trying to copy or milk off of other brands. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this. Next, Innisfree, super sweet of them. They sent over their, I think almost most of the shades for the new foundation. Sorry guys. This is their Innisfree Matte Foundation All Day Long Wear. I'm very excited for this because I've heard great things about this foundation. I've seen great reviews, and so obviously I haven't tried it yet, so I'll give you guys the first impressions later. Actually, let me pump it on the back of my hands. I want to see what kind of formula this is. I'm guessing this is a semi-matte one, which is my favorite, to be honest. I love semi-matte because I sweat a lot. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely semi-matte to matte. I can't wait to try this on, especially as the weather is getting warmer, and it does say it's an all day long wear. So this is definitely gonna be a semi-matte one. I can't wait to try this one. This is a PR package that I received from Lagom. I know how to open boxes. This is their new Lagom Cellus Revive Essence Toner. So this is an essence, which I love. Along from mist, essences are kind of also my guilty pleasure. And it looks like this. So I love Lagom. I think they do a wonderful job in making really gentle products. I love especially their cleansers. They're super, super gentle, so I recommend them to anyone with sensitive skin. Oh, it has adenosine and it has palytoyl tree. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. It has ingredients to help with wrinkles, collagen boosting, and it also has 3 types of hyaluronic acid, which I love. Apparently has a very silky kind of texture. Okay, so let me just give you guys a first impression. Actually, I'm very excited to try this. I've been looking for a nice essence product to try. Ooh, it does have a tiny bit of viscosity. Can you guys see that? Ooh, I think I really like this. It has a bit of fragrance. It smells like orange peels. Orange peels. There's a word for that. Peelings of orange. Zest? Zest. It has a zesty kind of fragrance. It doesn't linger on for a very long time though. I think this is going to be definitely one that's a bit more hydrated, but no oiliness. I think this will be great for dehydrated people like me, Sif. They also gave me cotton pads, which I will not be using because like I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to stay away from cotton pads and toner pads. I know guys. Scandal of the year. Okay, this is obviously a PR package that I also received, and it's from Mamonde. I love Mamonde. I mentioned that they're, I think, one of the very few brands that do a good job in both makeup and skincare products, and I think that's very rare to see. Voila, voila. This is the PR packaging. Mission. 어떤 환경에서도 진정하라. Okay, so this is a product that I'm really excited for. This is their new Blue Chamomile Soothing Repair Cream. And it's released. It's their recent release. Oh, it's so pretty. Very sleek. It's one of the products to calm your skin down. It has, I believe, blue chamomile. I never heard of blue chamomile. It has azulen ingredients. Oh, so this azulen ingredient is derived from the blue chamomile. So it will help calm down any inflamed skin, and it also helps with dehydration. Non-comedogenic tested, sensitive skin panel tested. Lots of tests being tested right here. Okay, so we got the message. Oh, very subtle. I think out of all the skincare that I tried out right now, this has got to be the most subtle one. Please be good. Please be nice. Ooh, this feels like it's light at first, but you can definitely feel an occlusive layer sitting on top. I think it will be perfect for spring, and it almost has a very silky, silicone-y finish to it. Very interesting, I might say. I think this is something that I would actually have to try out on my skin to see if it's suitable. This kind of reminds me of a thicker version of the, just a hair though, of the Echura Sunjang Barrier Cream. So far so good. I can't wait to try this out and test it out and tell you guys how I like it. All right, moving on. I see this package by Lyricos. I don't know if this product is new, but I want to feature this product in this video because I never used anything from this brand and I've heard great things about it. If you guys have tried anything from Lyricos, let me know how it went for you. I would love to find out. 깊은 생명력, 진한 보습 앰플로 깨어나다. So intense. Oh, but look how cute this is. It looks like a result from the science lab, like we're testing out with a new technology. Wow, fancy. It's an ampoule. Is it a one-time use? Wow, that's a lot of product to use in one time. Okay, so sometimes brands do package their products in these one-time usage bottles just to give you the impression that you're using something fresh. But I think this is too much for one-time use, no? Oh, it has fragrance, guys, fragrance. It smells like my grandmother's. It's very light, it's very hydrating, perfect for now. So apparently they've put in like minerals. 심해, like water from the sea, 605 meters down under. That's deep, guys, that's deep. So lots of great minerals in this. Ooh, in the France province called Bretagne. Yeah, I think the main purpose of this is to hydrate. Definitely be trying this out because I'm very curious about the brand itself. Like I said, let me know what your experience was with the brand. Alright guys, that was a very long video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm sorry if I was a bit brief with these, but I really want to power through. And if I do end up liking some products, I will definitely, without a doubt, mention it in a video. Don't forget to press like, stick around a little bit more before you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao!